Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Lucid Dreams on electric guitar. First, let's cover the basic chord progression. You'll need a capo on the first fret to match the original song's key. The main chords are C, G, M, and F. Focus on clean strumming and smooth changes between each chord. This foundation is crucial for building your playing skills. Practice these slowly until they feel natural and effortless. Now, let's dive into the iconic main riff. This part uses a simple finger-picking pattern that repeats throughout the song. Focus on hitting each note clearly and maintaining a consistent rhythm. Incorporate a light palm mute to achieve that signature melancholic tone. Start slowly, ensuring each note rings out, then gradually increase your speed. Precision here makes a big difference in the overall feel. Understanding the song's structure will help you play it more effectively. Lucid Dreams generally follows a verse-chorus pattern with a bridge. Vary your strumming intensity to add dynamics, playing softer in verses and stronger in choruses. This creates emotional depth. Playing along with the original song is an excellent way to refine your timing and feel. It helps you internalize the rhythm and flow. Consistent practice is key to mastering any song. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes daily, focusing on specific sections. Using a metronome will significantly improve your timing and rhythm accuracy. Remember, patience and persistence are your best friends on this journey. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing Lucid Dreams like a pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.